This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Power the Chromecast and check the LED so you know its state. Once powered, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi and you have the network password ready. Open the Google Home app and find the Chromecast card. Tap it to begin. If the app prompts for setup, follow the in-app steps until you reach the device options screen. This is the turning point where we choose a soft or factory reset. Decide whether you need a soft or factory reset. A soft reset from Google Home, device settings then reboot or stop casting, fixes many glitches without losing settings. For a full factory reset, press and hold the Chromecast button for about 25 seconds until the LED blinks and changes color. Release and wait for reboot. If network problems persist after reset, consider a wired Ethernet adapter to isolate Wi-Fi issues. Then re-attempt setup in the Google Home app. Once the device reboots, open Google Home and follow the guided setup to reconnect Wi-Fi and your Google account. Make sure to choose the correct band. When in doubt, try 4 GHz first, then 5 GHz. If setup stalls, reboot your router and phone, then retry. If problems persist, try resetting again or test another phone. Remember, a factory reset erases saved settings, so double-check password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.